The coronavirus pandemic was absolutely crushing for so many businesses. Perhaps none more than local restaurants, who've always depended on customers dining in. So when health departments shut down indoor public spaces across the country, enormous amounts of business dried up immediately for the locals. Last year, New York State lawmakers put together a $25 million fund aimed at helping restaurants replace some of that lost business by paying them to provide meals to citizens in need. It was called the Restaurant Resiliency Program. State officials say 175 New York City restaurants were approved for the program. But unfortunately, less than half that number, only 64 restaurants, were able to get some of that money. For those that were lucky enough to get funds, it was transformative.
RFP really helped Uptown Veg in big ways. It helped us to hire more staff, to pay our utilities, to pay our rent. It really was very helpful for us, and at the same time we was able to feed a lot of NYC residents.
A group of New York City restaurants, the food relief organization, Food Stream Network, along with state and local leaders, are calling for the Restaurant Resiliency Program to be refunded with another $25 million in the new New York State budget. Supporters say that state money will help some of the restaurants who missed out the first time and others that still need some assistance stay open.
We have a serious problem with food insecurity and food lack in our communities. There are people who have been struggling with food long before the pandemic even. So this program is really a win-win situation. It helps our restaurants stay alive so that they can rehire as we come through this pandemic. And it also feeds people in our community, making sure that they get nutrition, proper nutrition, good nutrition.
The Restaurants Resiliency Program needs to pass the New York State Senate and get the approval of Governor Kathy Hochul if those millions of dollars are to get into the hands of these people.
If you have a minute, reach the governor's office by phone, email, or fax. Let her know this is important to you and your community, and it means a lot. So please, do the right thing, Governor Hochul.
Yes.
Support the restaurant program, please.
Yes. Do the right thing. Do the right thing.
So time is definitely of the essence. The state budget goes out on April 1st, meaning there's only a handful of days left for residents to call their local state senators and call Governor Hochul's office and tell them to add this money into the state budget so it can get to all these people. We're live in East Harlem. Steve Cooge, Pix 11. Guidey, back to you.